Hello and welcome guys. We are here in Python comparison operators lecture, and Python comparison operators are used to compare two values and result generated as output like true or false. There are if we talk about the some sort of background in math, these operators should be very straightforward. And in this table operator name and example or description, you can say here name or description, something like that. And here we go: equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, or less than or equal to, and the examples code like this. Here we talk about the equal. So just let's test equal. Suppose 3 equal to 3, and now here if we run all, then this 3 equal to, it returns true. And if we like 3 equal to 2, or 1 is equal to 2, and then run, then it's returning the false. So let's see example for not equal, like 2 is not equal to 3. This statement is the true. And now greater than value, like 2 is greater than 4, this is the false statement, so it will be the false. Like if 4 is greater than 2, it will return the true. So greater than, and now less than. Three is less than 5, this will be the return true. And 5 is less than 3, it will return false. And now we need to be the two greater than or equal to 1. So there are the two comparison conditions, like here, like 2 is greater than or equal to 1. This is one condition is paused, and but other is the false, so it is true. So 2 is greater than or equal to 3. Now it will return us the false, because the condition no condition is true. So here we have almost yes, let's make less than or equal to. So here 3 is less than or equal to 5, it will be the return true. Here this is the statement, then or equal to. So these are the examples for this. Just I wrote for you less than and greater than. So you can do practice with this, and I will be back with next lecture, and we will move to the chained comparison operator in coming lecture. So thank you and bye for now.